so important to talk about mental health and how much of an impact it has, especially on young kids. Here to talk with us about the importance of youth mental health is Jane Van Bramer, President and CEO of Sweetser. Jane, thank you so much for joining us here in studio this afternoon. Can you tell us if you think that we're in the midst of a youth mental crisis?
We absolutely are. I think if you look at some of the statistics, we see that 14,000 Maine youth are experiencing depression. 1 in 4 are experiencing anxiety. If we look at some of our girls' statistics in 2021, 50% of our young ladies felt they were sad or hopeless. So whether it's completed suicides, whether it's anxiety and depression, the statistics are certainly pointing in the wrong direction.
So it sounds like we are in the midst of a youth mental health crisis. How can schools play a role in this, crisis?
I think schools can play a very important role. One of the Sweetser programs we have is we embed therapists into public schools. And so they're available in their natural environments to see kids when problems and concerns arise. Sweetser also has programs such as residential. We have a special purpose school. We have an experiential learning program. We have an eating disorder program. We have a certified community behavioral health clinic. We do mobile crisis services. There's a whole range of services. We are there to help, and we're available, but I think we can do more. These statistics are not okay.
Yeah, they're certainly not. How can we prevent this from getting worse?
Well, I think we can expand services. I think there is a need for new services and some different services. We've talked about having, a higher level residential service, a psychiatric residential treatment facility, a mobile kind of a mobile team that provides treatment, just expanding what we already do and making sure that we're there and available for families.
All right. Well, Jane Van Bramer, the CEO and president of Sweetser, we appreciate all that you guys do and keep up the good work.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us in studio. Maine